थंयच्यान येयले म्हळ्यार येवन आवाज येयलो व्हडलो आनी हो येवन जोरान तेणें गाडयेर मारली आनी एक बायलेचेर मारली थंय सायडीक बायल आसली आनी ते बायलेचेर बायल उडोवन सारकी ते फुडें पडली अर्ध्या रस्त्या फुडें पडली सारकी आनी मागीर हांव आनी मात्शें चुकलो थंय नाल्यार म्हाका येला तेणें आनी मागीर हांवें कितें केलें ताका बायलेक उबारून बायलेचे भेण गेले बायले कडेन जावंक ना उबार मागीर 4-5 जाणांनी मेळून उबारून डॉक्टर आसली फाटल्यान GMCची डॉक्टर तिणें आमकां हेल्प केलो तेजे गाडयेन घातले आनी ते गाडयेन घालून मागीर गेलो ताका ते हितून एमर्जन्सी जालें इतकेंच जाल्लें ते
म्हणजे भेणाक मार बसला
भेणाक हय तेजे सारकें खूब लागला तेका
आनी
उखल्ल्यारूय तेका हे
कार फास्ट आसली टर्न मारतना
सारको फूल फास्ट फूल स्पिडीन येयला तो आनी पिलेली आहा ते व्हिडिओ आहा म्हाजे कडेन फूल पिलेल्या व्हिडिओ केला की बियरींग सगळें गाडयेन आसा कंप्लीट पिलेले आहा
गाडी हांगा आहले वो सामको रफ आयलो वो
कोण
आहा तो वो
रेंट कॅब
रेंटर
हय
सामको टर्न मार आनी ही डज नॉट टू ड्राइव
येपय
he came and he straight away rammed into the car and there was a lady there. Lady fell off and now she's admitted in the GMC. I don't know what is her situation. We also don't know.
That Fortuner was like this
Yeah,
only?
I think so. He was parked there. He went to a photocopy. Most probably. That's the owner is there. That fellow with the light.
And what is in the car, rent a cab?
There are Corona beer bottles in the car. And when the airbag busted, I came and opened the door and I put up the smoke came. I don't know what is the situation of the lady.
Okay.
That's only thing. Someone has to go and investigate about the lady. That's what has happened.
You saw the lady lying there?
I saw her. She fell off there.
Okay.
That's the main thing. And I came running. I was having a juice there. I came running on that impact.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.